I was prepared to adjourn this case because it's my understanding that Ms. Jackson is in labor.
We go to a civil hearing in Ann Arbor, Michigan. 30-year-old Tia Jackson is being sued by her landlord for back rent in the amount of $6,088.40. Jackson is refusing to pay because she claims there are repairs that still need to be finished. The lawyer is Emily No. Plaintiff's attorney is David Fonterra, and the judge is Cedric Simpson.
All right, what are we doing on Miss Jackson's case?
Well, I was prepared to adjourn this case because it's my understanding that Ms. Jackson is in labor.
The defendant, already a mother of 9, appears remotely from her delivery room at a local hospital.
Obviously, you see that she is very much in the hospital based off of Zoom. But this case is incredibly important to her, but we are asking for a final settlement conference instead.
Okay, what are my issues here?
There are still some outstanding maintenance issues in the apartment. My client reached out to Ms. Jackson and she didn't get back.
Your Honor, I'd like to say that she did receive a voicemail as of yesterday around 9 a.m. That was in the middle of her getting to the emergency room and being checked in, so she was not, of course, able to respond to that. She is very much in the process of giving birth. So that's pretty reasonable to not be able to respond right away.
Okay, I get that. The bottom line to the question is authority given for the landlord to enter to do the repairs?
To answer that question, the defendant checks in from the delivery room.
So, Your Honor, I do not feel comfortable with them inside of my property. Actually, the day that we left court, they were supposed to do the repairs because I had some animals inside of my property. They did not do it. All they did was put some traps down. I had a couple of talks with them because my kids are highly allergic to mice and peanut butter, and they literally just put peanut butter traps all over in some really not professional spots.
Judge Simpson stays focused on the case.
Well, here's the thing. The landlord is looking for a time to enter. What I'm hearing right here is the tenant's denying permission to enter. That's fine. They could do a 72-hour notice and enter if that's what they want to do. But this period in time, I'm not going to be holding against the landlord in terms of not making repairs. I just want that clear.
Your Honor, that happened last time where we gave 72-hour notice and said, fine, we're coming in. And she said, nobody's coming in until the lawyers talk. So what we will be doing in this case today is we'll be giving the 72 hours notice, and we will be going in to do the things that are on that list with or without her consent.
Can I say something, Your Honor?
Go ahead, ma'am.
Okay, that's false. The day that they wanted to come out, my kids were sick with the flu. And I did let them know. I just said that I didn't want the maintenance man getting sick because I didn't know what it is. I have 9 kids, and I didn't know what they had. And they're very germy. They're touching on stuff. So I said, could you give me until Monday? They did come out Monday, and that's when they put the traps down. So that's false. They said,
all right, ma'am, I don't know that I need to deal with all of that. Okay. I'm looking at this current list
out there that I did let them in, but they did not do the work.
After hearing from both sides, Judge Simpson makes his ruling.
Okay. You're going to give the 72-hour notice. You're going to enter. Try to work it through with counsel if you can, and we'll do it that way.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Jackson later reached an agreement with her landlord and set up a payment plan. The case is now closed. Later that day, Jackson delivered her 10th child, a healthy baby boy. Mom and baby are both doing fine.